to be easy and functional, and also at an affordable price point. And that's what I love about Temp-tations. The beauty, the durability, the multi-purpose, the decorative, and now really affordable today because everything in this show is on our best easy payment plan and free shipping and handling. What should be $110? We slashed the price and created an $81.96 price point. That's a $28 and change savings for you. Pick up 2 to 3 sets because for me and my family, I'm also kind of like you, Lisa. I don't want to do a lot of dishes. And then there are times when I have quite a few guests in my home.
Yes.
So I want more than one set. Your item number is H212349. More just arrived, and then we got more colors back that you wanted in stock. So we're going to go through colors to show you. And then we have a new color as well. And then I know you want to show us exactly what we're getting because it's a lot of pieces.
I know. So you're getting service for 4, 16 pieces, a couple, and it's durable. Did you know that it's durable?
I just saw something fall, but I think it's still okay. Hey, Ed, it's all right. Come on, give us a wave.
It's all good. It's all good.
Didn't mean to call you out, but
here's what I love about this. So it's that soft square shape, which matches perfectly back to the today's special value that we had in the Squoval. So if you pick that up, you don't want to miss out on this dinnerware. Notice how it's like a cushion cut if you're thinking about jewelry, where it has those beautiful teardrops designs in the 4 different areas right there. And then that soft square, but it's a well designed. It's a 10.5-inch oversized plate. So you're going to get 4 of those. Then you're going to get 4 of the 7.5-inch portion control luncheon, dessert, salad plates, whatever you need. Here's what I love. Do you see how it's the reverse?
So good.
Absolutely.
That's smart dressing for the table.
Isn't it?
You don't want everything matchy-matchy, but you want it coordinating.
Look at this bowl. 24-ounce capacity. You know what that means?
What?
Of course you can use it for soups and for salads, but this is a serving piece. So if it's just the 2 of you, put your veggies right in here. That's perfect. Watch how I layer, how it becomes the most elegant design. And then we're going to top it off with a mug. It's going to be that 14-ounce design that you love, pedestal mug. Look how absolutely gorgeous. All the beautiful beading and detail with the floral lace, with the handle that matches back perfectly. But you're getting service for 4.
Okay, and this all still goes dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, freezer safe, oven safe, up to 500 degrees. A service for 4. We just moved not too long ago in July. I was looking for new dishes.
Yes.
And even at just a store that you think has great values, they wanted like $9.99 a plate easily.
Yes.
And you add this up 16 times, excuse me, in this case. I think our comparable retail value is still good at $110 for everything that's hand painted and multi-purpose like this and durable, as we just saw.
Absolutely.
This is a fantastic value. So we took $28 and change off of the comparable retail value. We put it on free shipping and handling and easy pay. And think about a price point to ship 16 pieces in real stoneware. That's heavy. All right, so let's go through colors.
Yeah, so that was the cobalt blue and floral lace, brand new today. I'm so excited. We have the winter in floral lace.
Yay, it's here.
Company's coming, and we really want our dinnerware to look nice and not chipped and all put together, right? So that winter has that beautiful snowflake design. Look how gorgeous that is. But this is all winter long. You can use that icy blue.
It reminds me of Frozen, the movie.
Frozen,
it's
exactly.
Break out in song.
Next door to that is going to be Floral Lace Festive, which again has the snowflakes and just a different color palette of the red and the green.
Gorgeous.
Notice the detail of the soft square, the teardrop design, and the hand painting.
Santa's Christmas cookies on there. With his milk.
Perfect.
I know our Santa likes it warm. When he comes to Pennsylvania, I give him warm milk.
Oh, aren't you nice?
I don't know. I help him sleep at the end of the night.
How about the green? Here's the floral lace green. Next door to that is going to be your red. I love the idea of maybe getting a set of each, and that's your Christmas dinnerware. Then we have the beautiful cranberry. That's going to be your deeper red tone.
Ooh.
We have more floral lace over here on the top, okay?
And I'm thinking mixing and matching these sets too. If you're picking up more than, like I would do 2 or 3 sets on free shipping and handling and easy pay today. Mix and match these.
Yeah, I have 3 sets of dinnerware because, again, it's easy, and I take this every day to holiday.
Yeah.
Here's that beautiful light blue and floral lace. Then we have the eggplant. So if you are a lover of purple, you're going to love this. Here's the spice. Here's the chocolate. And then there is the black. This is what I actually have in my house right now.
Oh, the
love
black.
This. Yes, I love it. I just had it for dinner
Great.
too.
I'll have to come over and see it, and I'll eat with you.
Yeah, please do. I made a cauliflower pizza on it tonight because this is
you're so
bakeware
healthy.
as well.
On it. Oh, fantastic.
Now, let's look at the seasonal colors that we only have this time of the year. In the Old World, we have Festive Fetty. Next door to that is Harvest. So if you've been wanting Harvest dinnerware, I know a lot of you have been asking, here it is.
We only have 400, and think about Thanksgiving, like you just heard Lisa say. So this is going to be really limited as we're selling hundreds in each presentation.
Got it. And then here's the fall Fetty. Next door to that is the green. Then we have the blue. And then we have the confetti, which is the mix and matching of all of our Temp-tations colors. And then finally, in the old world, we have the red. Here's the cranberry. Remember, you're getting service for 16, 4 place settings. Here's the eggplant, the brown, the spice, and the black.
So you're getting 4 10.5-inch dinner plates, 4 8-inch salad plates, 4 7.5-inch bowls, and 4 14-ounce mugs. Ceramic construction, hand painted.
Yeah.
Why is ceramic and stoneware so important?
Yeah, so important because it's durable and it's bakeware. This is not just another pretty plate. This can go in the oven up to 500 degrees. It goes in the microwave, the refrigerator, the freezer, the dishwasher. What I love about this is there's no better way to change the look of your house or your kitchen than changing your dinnerware, because you use it all day long.
And we maybe you have those type of cabinets in your home where you can actually see your place settings through. I know I had that. That's why I went shopping. So I was like, okay, now everyone can see what I got. What is beautiful about this is too, when you go to retail and you look for new plates or service for 4, what do you see? There's a lot of white, there's a lot of plain, there's a lot of just boring. This is a talking piece. This is beautiful, all hand painted, all of this that you see. So thank you for showing this, Lisa, because this is what most of us have. And it's fine. Tends to be a little bit boring. I will be honest, that's what I have in my house, that exact color. Everyone does, probably.
Yeah.
This is really a special moment. And then also, of course, you're saving because it's $110 comparable retail value. It's $81.96 for you this morning on a special featured price. So that's $28 and change off. Free shipping and handling. So think about all of these pieces as we've shown you how much this stoneware, because it's so heavy and durable, would actually cost to ship. So it's a great savings. That's back in your pocket. And then we've got our best easy payment plan. If you want to do 2 or 3 sets, mix and match. Maybe you're giving this as a bridal gift or a shower gift. $13.66 on Easy Pay with any major credit card at checkout or now PayPal. Lisa, that was fantastic.
Isn't that
Thank
beautiful?
you. All right, so now I want to show you as well another item that we actually don't have time for a presentation, but if you're looking for insulated totes, these are really cute. You're getting a set of 2. Take them to the market, the farmer's market, the grocery store.